Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show the easiest way to remove background in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder, and I have an image downloaded from freepad.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I click and drag into Photoshop to open the image. Now we can find the Contextual Task Bar under the photo. If you don't find this, we can go to Window and Show Contextual Task Bar here. Now I go back to Contextual Task Bar, and then we can find the button Remove Background. Click it and wait a moment. And we can see that the background is removed. If we go to Layers window, we can find the image and the mask here. So this is the easiest way to remove background in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.